Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks for stopping back. It's Sunday. I'm Solo Black, and I'm on the stairs. All right, guys, real quickly, today we're going to go over to the storage garage and we're going to remove the carburetors off of Project 2000 Katana750. We're going to bring them back to my house because it's really cold outside, and we're going to clean those carburetors. So I want you guys to stick it around. Okay, it's been about 2 weeks since we started the jigsaw up. It's about 32 degrees. Let's see if she'll start. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and snatch these carburetors. It's cold in this garage. Let's take them off and get them back over to the house. guys, we got the carburetors off. Now let's go back home and clean those babies. Vevor, ultrasonic cleaner. It is 30 liters. So that's about 8 gallons. So I got this not only for the carburetors, but for other parts I needed to clean. I wanted to kind of surprise you guys today when I took the carburetors off. I didn't tell you how I was going to clean them, but I went ahead and bought an ultrasonic cleaner. All right, let's open this baby up. And I guess I'm going to keep on saying it. I didn't know it was going to be this big. I didn't have any idea. I'm not a metric person. Maybe I should be. But I always speak in metric because my Honda ST1300 has a 7.7 liter gas tank. It has 2 gas tanks that equal 7.7 gallons, which is right around, 29 liters. So this is a 30 liter ultrasonic cleaner. All right. And it's by Vevor or Vevor. So they packed it pretty good. Stainless steel. And this is going to be perfect for the carburetors that I have off Project 2000 Katana750. So you got the top, and then you're going to get these the hose for drainage. And then you're going to get the electrical cord, and you have the basket. Running out of room here. And you have the ultrasonic cleaner. This thing is heavy. Hold on one second. Man, this thing is huge. I love it. So we got that. Looks pretty good, huh? Stainless steels. So you're gonna have the off and on switch. It's in the back, and this is where your cord fits in, your electrical cord. And already I can tell that I'm going to be enjoying this thoroughly. Now, I don't know if you can see this. This is your spigot to get your cleaning product out. So I'm not really good at unboxing, but this is the new Vevor 30 liter ultrasonic cleaner. So let's go ahead and get the carburetors in there, and yeah, I'm happy. All right, guys, the carbs are ready. They cleaned for 30 minutes. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. All right, let me sit you guys down and let me pull these carburetors out. Let's see, put you guys right here. Open those legs up. Can you see that from there? Kind of angle you here. Wow. That water's pretty dirty. See a whole lot of stuff floating around in there. All right, let's take a look at the carbs. Wow, that's hot. See if I can set them up like that. Definitely cleaner. Definitely cleaner. Yeah, I like that. Definitely cleaner. In here and in here. All right, guys, I'm going to get my hair dryer and start drying these out. Yep, all right, guys, I got the hair dryer out. I'm gonna dry these babies off. Then I'm going to oil them up with some WD-40 and put them back on the bike. All right, guys, we're not gonna get around to taking the carburetors back over to the garage and installing them on Project 2000 Katana750. It just got a bit too late and it's a bit cold outside. So I'm going to save that for the next part, which will be part 10. And we'll go ahead and show you results of cleaning those carburetors with the ultrasonic cleaner. All right. Hey, just for your FYI, I have a new Instagram. My other Instagram got hacked. So if you want to reach me, you can reach me on Instagram at 313SoloBlack. That's 313SoloBlack. And if you're on Facebook, just go to Solo Black and you can reach me and message me on that. Now, if this is your first time to my channel and you enjoy what you see, it would be a great honor if you guys would go ahead and subscribe, press the like button, and hit the notification button. That way you'll know every time I upload a video. All right, this is Solo Black, 313, Rise and Ride, and I'll get with you the next time.